Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the assignment for today. So you're going to, in Schoology, find the folder listed called First Quarter. You're going to click on that. You're going to click into the lime green folder labeled Poetry. And in that folder, you'll find the Poetry Workflow and Poetry Day 1 folder. Once you open up the Day 1 folder, you're going to click on this Langston Hughes poem. That's the assignment for our class time for today. When you open that, it should say up here, my document or something like that. If you don't see your document, you'll need to refresh your screen and then usually it'll show up. If it says access denied, just keep refreshing. When you open the document, it's going to look like this. It is a Google Slides presentation. The best way to read the directions is to present the slide to yourself, and you're going to read the directions. Essentially, what they say is that you are reading a poem with pieces of the poem out of order. And so what you're going to do is you're going to rearrange the text boxes in order to put the poem in the order that the author intends it to. So you're going to think about the ideas represented and the theme and how the parts of the poem work together to form a whole idea. And after you do that, you should be willing to, or ready, prepared to come to a discussion to explain the choices that you made. And it looks like this. So here's the poem. And what you're going to need to do to move those text boxes is actually exit the present mode. You're going to go into the document. If you're having trouble viewing the poem at this level, click on View and Zoom. I like it at about 50%. And then you'll just click on one of the text boxes that you want to move. Wait for the 4 arrows to show up and drag it and drop it where you want it. Now I will say if you want to move text boxes from one slide to the next, you can't simply drop them. So what you need to do is highlight the text, make sure you get the 4 arrows, and then cut, and then you're going to go to the slide where you want to paste that box and click paste. Okay, so you're going to want to move these text boxes to put them in order, and when you're moving inter-slide, from one slide to another, you're going to want to use the cut and paste function. Once you're finished with that, you're going to come back to class hopefully, but we're having some technical difficulties. So let's go back to the assignment. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to read the original text here and compare it to what you did. And then you're going to go out to the exit ticket that you can find in Schoology. It looks like this. And you're just going to write a quick, here's the exit ticket here. You're going to write a quick document about your process and then submit this via Schoology. All right, so reach out to me if you have any questions.